Yes guys, welcome back to another day of renovating the house. The scaffolding is now up, lid is on. Today there's a big thing going on. We are putting the stills in. Get the arms working and see how we get on. Another block delivery. Busy day today. We're getting a still in here onto that wall. We are getting 2 stills on the front pier. One from there across to there. And then we're also getting one tied in from up there into that wall there. Here they are. Some of the stills are here. Get these off. Getting them off. Can't wait to lift that.
That's why that one's bigger than the...
Stage 1. Stage 1. Got to get out there.
Yeah, and they're up there. That's it.
We're up. We're on the wall. We just need to genie this bit up now because that's got to go actually in there. Oh, so need to slide across this wall more, but that is seriously heavy. Still in. Time to get the column in now.
You right? Yeah. Let's stand up or not?
That was hard. Still in. Column in.
Yeah, so...
Leveling it up
this
now.
have to go up then? Yeah, so it has to go up, yeah. This is pulling it down. So
Nearly there with this one.
We'll do it. Right, short over.
Right, you stay there, Kev. Yeah, but we'll spin it a bit more to get in there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And now we have to get up. So what we're doing now is the hard part. We're getting the still in place, ready for the genie. Then once it's on the genie, we reel up the genie to a certain height, ready for it to swing in. What we're also doing is putting 2 still plates either side, just so when the still does sit on the wall, it spreads the weight. That's it, that's all we've got.
That's level.
To go plastic trim down the tiny bit. It's like we did
Foam and plastic, let's get in.
We get it down.
Keeping the freezer.
It's in the boot, ain't it?
Yeah, lovely. Just tap that little corner there. Whoa. Is that the front lift there for it?
Yeah, that's fine. No, that's fine.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.